Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of my Darn Good Yarn box for the month of September. The Darn Good Yarn box is a subscription service that you can buy monthly. It's a $10 box, and this is what your box is going to look like. You're going to get 2 yarns in your box. The box used to look different. It was bigger. It had 1 yarn and then 1 mystery item and then a booklet, but they have condensed it down to be this version that you see right here. This video is not sponsored in any way. I buy this every month with my own money, and all of my thoughts and opinions are my own. This is what your yarn is going to look like. It's going to say yarn of the month. It's going to show you what yarn you're getting in your box, and then it's going to have a cute little quote on it. This quote says, "Every fairy tale starts with the spark of your passion and creativity. Let these cakes wind inspiration and beauty into your next fiber fantasy," which is just so beautiful. So let's open up this box. So like I said, they condensed this box down. Instead of a booklet, you're now going to get this card that says Darn Good Yarn on it with the color of your yarn you're getting in your box. And then on the back, it's going to have a QR code where you can get your patterns. So they have changed the patterns now. You used to get one specific pattern that would go with your yarn, but now when you go to this QR code, it's going to show you patterns that align with this weight of yarn. I'm going to show a video of me going through the QR code and looking into the patterns myself, so I will insert that. And then here is the yarn that I got in my box, so you can see it up close. It is beautiful, soft, and squishy. I love that it runs more pink than anything else, even though you can see that there are so many colors in it. I love that it's more pink. It's so pretty. Then, of course, like I said, instead of getting 1 in a mystery item, you now get 2 in your box, which I think is a great change. I love more yarns, so I think it's so nice that we get 2 now. This is going to be what this yarn is called. And then on the back, it's going to show you the knitting needle and the crochet hook that you can use with this weight. So that is going to be my September box. Overall, a very cute box and one of my favorite colorways I have collected this year so far. Overall, I do want to let you guys know I am enjoying these changes that they have been making to the monthly box. I think giving us more yarn instead of yarn and a mystery item is really nice, and I'm enjoying that. And I think condensing it down to where you use a QR code to get your patterns instead of doing a full booklet is actually a great idea, and I really enjoy these changes. I will have my unboxing playlist listed down below. In 2020, I did a roundup review of all of the boxes that I received that year. I will have that listed down below. And at the end of this year, 2021, I will also do a roundup review for all the boxes I received this year. So be on the lookout for that in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.